Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by blocking the silhouette so you control proportions from the start. You draw a shallow, elongated oval for the roofline, then snap in the center line to align the hood and trunk. You need accurate placement because the Kia Optima's character is proportion. Once done, sketch 2 wheel circles and connect them with the rough body profile, making sure the wheelbase reads natural. These basic masses stop later distortion and let you refine panel lines with confidence. Now define the panels and stance to give the car its identity. You tighten the roof and window edges, clarifying A and C pillars, because accurate glass shapes change perceived length. Next, draw the shoulder line and door seams, following the base silhouette so proportions stay consistent. This is where the Optima's athletic look appears. Once done, add grille and headlight masses and indicate lower bumper intakes. Make sure to check symmetry by flipping the drawing or viewing at arm's length. Finish with details and correction so the sketch reads as a completed Kia Optima. You render wheel spokes and add tire shading to ground the car. Use 2 to 3 value levels for clear form. Then refine lights, trim and grille teeth, and clean construction lines so panels read crisp. Once done, apply cast shadows beneath the car and soft reflections on glass. If something looks off, measure key distances and adjust proportions by 2 to 5% or correct vanishing points to fix perspective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.